will stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Ito yung yung gulay na isasaw ko dyan, para siyempre may makaano din tayo ng gulay. Pansit. Niluto natin pansit na yung mino natin. Sana magustuhan nyo yung style ko sa pagluto ng pansit. At masarap to mga idol. Masarap yung titirahin nating pansit. Kaya enjoy watching.
It's been 24 hours, I need more hours with you. We spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Put our backward, babe. Let me go. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me to sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I spent last night on the last flight to you. Took a whole day up, trying to get way up. Ooh. We spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Put our backward, babe. Let me go. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me to sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
Yan, at igisa muna natin tong gulay natin mga idol. I-half cook lang natin to, saka hanguin natin para mabilis yung pagluto natin pag na-half cook na siya, at maganda yung pagkagawa natin ng pansit. Yan, abangan nyo lang yung pagluluto ko. Yan, mag-isa na rin tayo mga idol ng itong pansawag natin. Igisa natin yung yung hinimay-himay natin na manok kanina. Magisa muna tayo ng sibuyas at bawang dito para lumabas yung aroma ng sibuyas at saka bawang. Medyo papula-pulahin natin. Medyo pumula-pula na siya, oh. Ganda kasi pag medyo mapumula yung bawang kasi mabango yung ano. Yan, ito yung pansahog natin, oh. Yan, atay at saka yung laman ng manok. Igigisa na natin to. Yan, enjoy watching ng mga idol. At maraming salamat sa panonood ng video ko at pagtangkilik sa mga ginagawa ko, sa ginagawa ni Ilonggo Japan Vlogger. And million thanks, kid. Shout out din pala sa mga Ilonggo kay Ilongga dyan. Ayan, ito na yung laman ng manok ko. Igisa na natin to, yung pansahog natin. At ayan na, ito na yung laman ng manok ko. At yung puso ng manok, lagyan natin ng kunting toyo at saka oyster sauce yung nilagay natin para maganda yung pang sahog natin na manok, yung laman ng manok at saka atay. Yan, yung pa lang yan, yung laman ng manok at saka yung puso. Sana may puso. Yan, at mamaya natin ikon. Ito yung oyster sauce. Yan. At mamaya lagyan natin ulit pag na natin yung pansit. Yan, at ito na yung atay. Yan. Yan yung pansahog natin dyan sa pansit. Kaya napakayami nito mga idol. Sana nagustuhan yung pagluluto ko, yung style ng pagkaluto ko ng pansit. At ito na yung natin sa pansit, pansabaw-sabaw natin. Dito natin yung sinabaw natin sa hinango natin yung ginisa natin yung manok kanina. Diba? Ang dami ng pansahog natin, oh. Kaya masarap to. At yan yung gulay na hinapko ko.